The Google Fitbit Inspire 3, released into 2022, is a popular fitness tracker that helps monitor your health and fitness activities. Resetting your Fitbit Inspire 3 is a common task, whether you're troubleshooting issues, preparing it for resale, or restoring it to factory settings. This video will guide you through the complete reset process, step by step. A reset erases all personal data and restores the device to its original state, unlike a simple restart, which just reboots it without losing data. Knowing how to properly reset your device ensures it functions optimally and keeps your data secure. Consider resetting your Fitbit Inspire 3 when you encounter specific issues or situations. If the screen becomes unresponsive to taps or gestures, a reset can often restore proper functionality. When sensors like heart rate monitoring or step counting provide inaccurate readings, resetting the device may recalibrate them correctly. Persistent problems connecting to the Fitbit app, such as sync failures or pairing issues, are another common reason to perform a reset. It's also crucial to reset the device before selling or giving it away to protect your personal data and ensure compliance with privacy standards like GDPR. For privacy reasons, always reset before transferring ownership. This effectively clears all activity logs, synced accounts, and other personal information stored in the device's memory. The recommended method for resetting your Google Fitbit Inspire 3 is through the Fitbit app on your paired Android or iOS device. First, open the Fitbit app on your paired Android or iOS device. Next, navigate to the Inspire 3's device settings. Then, look for the Reset Device option and confirm your selection. Finally, the tracker will vibrate, restart, and display the initial setup prompt. This method is generally preferred as it's user-friendly and, with recent updates, may offer a data backup option before the reset. If you can't access the Fitbit app, you can perform a hardware reset using the device's button. First, press and hold the side button on your Inspire 3 for approximately 10 seconds. Continue holding the button until the Fitbit logo appears on the screen. Then, release the button. The device will then reset to factory settings. This hardware reset method is particularly useful when the app is inaccessible due to connectivity issues or software problems. Before resetting your Google Fitbit Inspire 3, take these important precautions to protect your data and ensure a smooth process. First, back up your data if possible. Although the Fitbit app sometimes offers automatic backup to Google Drive, it's always best to ensure your information is safe, as resets are irreversible. Make sure automatic backup is enabled in the Fitbit app to preserve your fitness data and settings. Also, charge your Inspire 3 to at least 50% battery level before starting the reset. This prevents interruptions during the reset process, which could lead to software corruption and device issues. After resetting your Fitbit Inspire 3, you might encounter minor glitches like temporary sync delays with Google services. This is often resolved by ensuring you have the latest version of the Fitbit app and reconnecting your Inspire 3 to your account. If problems persist, try restarting your phone or tablet as well. The future of wearable device resets is trending towards automation and AI integration. Wearable device resets are moving towards automation with AI assistance, making the process smarter and more efficient. Expect enhanced security features, like biometric authentication for resets to prevent unauthorized access. Also, look for more sustainable practices, such as eco-friendly data migration to cloud storage, reducing e-waste. By 2030, voice-activated resets via Google Assistant may become commonplace. Experts praise the Inspire 3's reset simplicity. Walter Mossberg from Wired noted in 2026 that Google's integration makes resets intuitively secure, contrasting with competitors that require more steps. Statistics from Google support tickets show that resets fix 70% of reported hardware and software bugs. A 2025 Statista survey found that 18% of Fitbit users perform resets annually for maintenance. Cybersecurity statistics from Kaspersky Lab in 2026 reveal that 10% of wearable hacks involve unreset devices, emphasizing the importance of this procedure for security. However, remember that cloud backups could be vulnerable if not encrypted, highlighting the need for strong password management. Regular resets contribute to device longevity and data security. Always refer to the official Google Fitbit support page for the most up-to-date information.